It's your boy, Drew Crowe, the MFG, as you can see. And there's a couple of things I'm good at, a couple of things I'm not so good at. So I'm good at things like energizing the next generation of American manufacturing leaders. I'm really good at getting the kids involved, getting those screenagers excited. I'm your man. Things I'm not good at is keeping secrets. As y'all can see, I've been dropping bombs all week about different things that I was trying to keep under wraps, but they were too good to talk about. And this is another one of those things. So the cat is out the bag. Make it in Illinois is a thing now. I've teamed up with the state of Illinois, with IMAC, Illinois Manufacturers Association. We're about to be putting a spotlight on the whole state of Illinois, people that make it. And that means if you're making things, if you made it in Illinois, a lot of people don't actually know that I got my start in this industry in the state of Illinois. Shout out to the Quad Cities. Shout out to InProSeal, who gave me my start in advanced manufacturing. So I myself made it in Illinois. If you want more information about this campaign that you are about to literally see all over the place, whether you're in Illinois or not, first thing I want y'all to do is join us October 10th. We're going to be in Carbondale, Illinois. This is the official invitation for you. All you got to do is click this link below to RSVP. This is going to be our launch event for Make It in Illinois. And again, this is showcasing all the dope things that we make in Illinois and all the dope people that have made it in Illinois, and to give you an opportunity to figure out how you can make it in Illinois as well. And I'm going to be popping out. I'm going to be streaming live on my Instagram and Make It in Illinois' Instagram. I want you to follow that account right now so you can keep in touch with all of the great things that we'll be doing together. But October 10th at Com-Pac International Inc., 800 West Industrial Park Road in Carbondale, Illinois. We're starting at 10 a.m. Myself, I'll be there. My friends from IMAC will be there. My friends from Illinois Manufacturing Association will be there. But they'll also be bringing the Makers on the Move bus. Make sure that you check us out, Seeker. We want to see you. If you're somebody that wants some training, we want to see you. If you're looking just for an idea of what you're going to be able to do in your career, we got some answers. We got some options. Again, Make It in Illinois campaign launch will be at Com-Pac International, Carbondale, October 10th, 9 a.m. Hope to see you there. MFG, out to get it cracking. Oh, and if you're making it Illinois, you made it in Illinois, if you're helping other people make it in Illinois, I want to come interview you. I want to showcase you. I want to put you on my platform, put you on the Make It in Illinois platform. Hit me up in the links below if that sounds like you. We want to show everybody how we're making it in the great state of Illinois. I'll see y'all soon.